see, there's a culture, a remarkable culture that creates emotional connections and generates trust and generates a sense of loyalty. Loyalty so significant that people visit and they expect more than just great food and courteous service. They expect an experience. And that's what a remarkable culture looks like. So you might be wondering, how did Chick-fil-A do it? What strategy did they use to create an organization like the one that they had that would give you a story like this one about the Spencers and a team member named Jeff Urban? Well, of all the infinite choices and priorities and goals and initiatives that Chick-fil-A could have chosen to focus on, they pursued the most important decisions that a leader makes. If you're looking for a recipe of creating a remarkable culture, then I'll share with you what I've learned. And Truett Cathy himself taught me this again and again and again. People decisions are the most important decisions that a leader makes. They can be game changers and game breakers to your organization. Creating a remarkable culture requires intentionality, vision, and understanding of this statement. Culture is the soul of the organization. You see, what Chick-fil-A did was create a remarkable culture. They selected extraordinary talent like Jim and the other Chick-fil-A franchisees that you know. And they selected better talent and taught them great principles. They didn't give them a bunch of rules. They said things like make second mile second nature. Go above and beyond what people expect. And so the next thing we knew, we're getting messages that they're changing tires and jumping off dead batteries and going dumpster diving for discarded dental appliances and sending boats in the middle of a hurricane. That's what happens when you create a culture like that. Set for your people a challenging mission. Choose what your most dear beliefs are and make them demonstrated core values that you live out day in and day out. If you do these things, then I believe this. I believe that someday, somewhere, somehow, someone will tell stories about your organization just like the ones I told today. It's really up to you. But I encourage you, go be remarkable.